Hello, beautiful girls and ladies. How are you? I hope you're fine with good health and very happiness. Welcome back to my channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. Stop wasting your morning on high maintenance hair. In 2026, time is luxury, and your hair should reflect that. Today, we are showcasing to the best wake up and go short hairstyles that require zero heat, zero fuss, and 100% style. If you are ready to simplify your life without losing your edge, keep watching. First, meet the French bob. This cut is designed to look better as it air dries. The secret is in the textures and eyebrow grazing bangs. It's the ultimate low maintenance look because it embraces your natural texture, whether it's straight, wavy, or curly hair. No blow dry needed, just a touch of hair oil and you are out the door. If you want the absolute lowest maintenance possible, the tapered crop is your winner. By keeping the sides very short, you eliminate tangles and styling time completely. The look highlights your bone structure and looks incredible expensive when paired with bold gold earrings. It's sharp, it's modern, and it styles perfect for weeks. For the lovers of volume, the beaded Pixie is a game changer. The layers are cut to create height automatically. The best part, the measure is gets during the day. The better it looks, it's the perfect I woke up like this vibe that works for every face shape. Just a quick tools with your fingers and you are ready to conquer the day. Life is too short for complicated hair. Which of these easy glam looks are you choosing for 2026? Drop a energetic in the comments if you are ready for the chop. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more beauty hacks. So beautiful, ladies and girls. See you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.